So guys, as you can see in front of you, I am at my LinkedIn profile. When I scroll down, you will see here take skill quiz. I will hit it, to be really honest, and then I will search for my Adobe Premiere Pro. As you can see, this is Adobe Premiere Pro, so I will take this quiz because I have skills in that, on that. And then 15 minutes duration, 70, I don't know what this required to pass and get a badge. You can retake this assessment if you don't pass. I will do this start and then I will go. Now what is this? How was this clip manipulated using the cursor adjustment? Remember the saturation. Oh my god. So this is Adobe Premiere Pro Assessment test. I'm not really sure about it, to be really honest. Yeah, this is right, I guess. What is good reason to use nested sequence? Nesting helps Adobe Premiere Pro render faster. Nesting makes it easier to reduce clutter in the project panel, saving time and potentially project budget. Nesting improves playback performance. To be really honest, I don't even know what nesting is. I swear to God. What is nesting? Nesting or the nesting instinct is a burst of energy women often get in the last few weeks of pregnancy that inspire. This is something else. This nesting is some other nesting, if I'm not wrong. So the reason the reason I'm showing this test is just because if you have skills, you can do this. If you do not have skills, if you want some tests, if you want to open your mind, if you want to learn more about Adobe Premiere Pro, Adobe Photoshop, another software named as After Effects, whatever you do, you can select it and you can give a test, and I will do this. I will do it like this. Randomly I am clicking it. So let's see what happens when I finish it. Contrast. We'll be completing this in less than 15 minutes. The time is running here, as you can see. 15 minutes the time. Questions are 15 and I'm done. Let's see the result. The result is Adobe Premiere Pro, Heather, you didn't pass below 70 percentile, learn more about. So this is how I failed and I failed. So the reason I'm making this video is because when you make videos on YouTube helping other people get indulged in different stuff, and you give education to people, so the thing is, what you get in return, you will get paid a good amount of money on YouTube, as this tech reviews are these videos related to tech are more they pay you more on these videos rather than the entertainment stuff, to be really honest. That is why I make these videos every now and then, and I made it again, and I made a lot of videos of related social media. As you can see in front of you, this is my channel, and when you go to different videos, you will see plenty of videos are of tech, plenty of videos are of things that I'm giving a lecture, I'm telling someone, I'm teaching something, and so this is what it is. Because of that is why I'm making these foolish videos, but at the same time it's not foolish to other people who wants to learn. So you getting my point? So yeah, it's a win-win game, it's a win-win situation. You are getting two things at one time, like you are getting paid, and another thing is you are making people to you're solving other people's problems. So yeah, in the few days you will not get views, but in the longer run, like after months, you will get views and you will get paid. So this is the reason I'm making, this is the only reason I'm making the videos, to earn money. As you can see, these are the videos, and you can also earn money. If you have any question regarding it, do let me know in the